You, Angela, that's right. And actually, Isaias is a hurricane now. It has been since yesterday, but it will be a tropical storm by the time it gets up here. Let's take a look at the latest information. And you can see maximum sustained winds 85 miles per hour, moving to the northwest. And you can see the Florida coastline there, where that magenta color, violet color there, that you have those warnings in effect, and that would be the hurricane warning right across the east coast of Florida, from Miami right up to central and the northern coastline. And it looks like it's going to be hitting the east coast of Florida later on this evening into tonight. You can see the latest storm track from the Hurricane Center, and the Hurricane Center is keeping the storm hugging the coastline and making landfall a couple of different times. One of the reasons why it will weaken by the time it gets up here. But right now, the latest indications are that this system is going to roll up the mid-Atlantic coastline, get offshore just a bit, and then hit Rhode Island. So with that kind of a track, that puts us on the wet, rainy side, not the bad side of the storm. The eastern side, where you get the strongest winds and even severe weather with weak tornadoes. Here's the latest spaghetti plots with all the modeling. And take a look at southern New England, all of southern New England. Guess where it's going? I mean, all the spaghetti plots, you know, the center line of this will bring it right through Hartford, Connecticut, actually. So something we're going to, of course, be watching. I would start to get prepared now. It looks like, again, late Tuesday into Wednesday, and it really has nowhere to go. There's a big ridge of high pressure in Bermuda, and it's going to keep the storm from going out to sea. Soaking rain, early indications are we can be right in the bullseye with quite a bit of rain. Tropical climatology, we really don't get into the biggest part of the season until the middle of August through the end of September. And here we are, record-breaking. We're already at the eyes, and we got another tropical system starting to form off the African coast. Meanwhile, today, enjoy, because it is the pick of the next few days. Actually, today is the pick of the next 5 to 6 days across the area. We have bright sun, blue skies this morning, temperatures in the 60s to near 70, and you can see 68 Hartford to 63 Winstead, 65 in Thompson to 70 down along the coastline. Dew point readings are dropping off a little bit. Look at that, upper 50s, been a while, in northern Connecticut to the low and middle 60s across central southern. They'll actually dry out a little bit more. I should say the dew point readings should lower a little bit. That's because we have a little bit of a north to northwest wind. Now it's going to be a light wind, but we'll take what we can get. It is high pressure in control. We're watching our next system, you know, as if the hurricane isn't enough to watch. We have a storm system out in Cincinnati, Ohio that could give us a little bit of a problem tomorrow. So for today, look for bright sun, blue skies, high temperatures reaching 85 to 90, could get to 90 in the inner cities, and winds are lax, but for most of us, a nice warm afternoon setting up. Now coming up, I will discuss more on Hurricane Isaias and where she's going exactly, and it looks like it's coming up here. We'll have more details on